Let's get started with the best Monopoly Ghost I'll be sharing you in this video. The bank heist and shutdown are first. By swinging a wrecking ball at one of their buildings, you can attack the city of someone else during the shutdown. You only earn half as much money if they successfully block your attack. If they run out of shields, however, you'll get paid in full. Each shield gives you the ability to defend yourself from an attack by another player, and you can hold up to 3 shields at once. Once your stock of shields is destroyed while in shutdown mode, you will no longer be able to block their attacks. But if that does happen, all you have to do is start the game and keep rolling the dice until you find a spot that gives you a free shield. The game of card matching is the bank heist. Up until you match 3 identical cards, you can turn over as many cards as you want. You can steal money from another player in 3 different amounts depending on the size of the heist. The large heist is symbolized by one symbol, the medium heist by another, and the small one by a third. The size of the heist depends on which symbol you locate first. Remember that a bank heist allows other players to steal your money as well, so spend all of your money prior to exiting the game to minimize what they can take from you. An additional factor is building upgrades. You can add house to your board and increase your income by using the money you collect to buy and upgrade buildings. Every time you buy a building, your net worth grows. You can move on to another city once you have fully acquired and upgraded every building on the map. Your potential task will likely be more lucrative and pay you more money in the new city. Every time you roll a bank heist or shutdown, you'll also get a lot more money. Remember to look at the quick wins in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. You'll have 3 quick wins at a time, which are side quests that the game gives you. You'll receive free rewards such as money and rolls when you finish these quests. Once you complete all 3 quests, you must manually collect your rewards, and after finishing you will get a fresh set of quick wins. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe.